This is so pretty. Monty, this is like, I'm gonna cry. I love this. It's perfect. Hey everybody, I am Kay.
And I'm Monty. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do an unboxing. So if you're brand new to the channel, make sure you get subscribed if you want to learn about all things digital tech and social media. But today we have a special unboxing. We have one of our YouTube subscribers, Miss Susan, make some awesome quilts. And so she came across our channel, reached out to us to learn about live streaming, and then we reached out to her to purchase one of her quilts. So today we are going to unbox it and show you what we've received. So, you ready?
All right, without further ado, let's get started.
Let's see how
I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for a couple weeks now.
We've been waiting a couple weeks, and then we've been waiting a couple days so we can actually film this unboxing for you guys.
Uh-oh.
Need some help?
I do, please.
I'm gonna go here.
Well, there's no tape right here. I'm only taped on the corner, so I might have to open the end. All right. Is there a pull tab? Here we go. Feels like Christmas.
Corner one.
Almost. Miss Susan sealed this very well. Okay, I think I got it. All right, Monty.
Bring that.
Ooh.
Oh.
Look.
Don't show them at all.
I'm so excited.
Hold on. So we have it wrapped up.
Oh, it's in a little case. That matches our comforter.
It actually does. We are not showing you the bedroom.
Monty, look.
Wow.
This is so pretty. Got it. Okay. Here we go. So this is the inside. Look,
Oh, wow.
Monty. Oh my goodness. Susan, you outdid yourself. This is beautiful.
We have to do a wide shot of this. This is
This is so pretty. Oh my goodness.
This is nice. It's colorful.
It's beautiful. It's got some weight to it. Let's turn it over so they can see the other side.
Let's see the other side.
I love it.
I definitely love this pattern.
This is so pretty. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to snuggle up in this. And
With me?
Of course with you, not by myself.
Oh, I didn't even see the squares down here.
Yes, so there's squares up here, and I love the trim, I guess I'm not sure what you would call it.
Trim.
The lining is
Susan, what do you call this? The
beautiful.
lining or the trim?
I'm gonna have to stand up so we
Yeah,
can.
we gotta stand up.
All right, let's see. Look at that.
I can't see me.
So silly. Well, Miss Susan, thank you so much. This is more than what I expected. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to use it. I may not share.
You will.
But yes, thank you again. I'm floored. This is beautiful.
Yeah, this is awesome. If you guys want to learn more about how you can get your own custom quilt, this is custom, right?
Yes, this is
Your custom quilt, we're gonna leave a link below in the description section. Check out Miss Susan's website, reach out to her, tell her Monty sent you.
And Kay.
And Kay. Make sure you say Kay sent you. That way you guys can get your custom quilt from Miss Susan. Thanks, Miss Susan. And
Thanks.
if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you get subscribed, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.